Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix payload manager is not running error on your PS5. It takes less than 2 minutes, so let's dive right in. And before we start the process, first we are going to do jailbreak the PS5 console. You have to try this before anything else. First we need to clean out the console internet browser cache. Head over to PS5 setting and go to user and account, and click on the privacy. From there select the clear cookies and the clear website data. This stop background data conflicts from crashing the host. So if it's won't open, you are likely running an older version, so make sure to download the latest updates. And the next we are going to do web browsers and download Netcat GUI version 1.0. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys. So after downloading, head over to your PS5 console and connect into the internet. Just make sure your PC and console are connected to the exactly same network. So after connecting it, will we open the netcat file we downloads. Next we enter the PS5 IP address, and by the way we forgot one file. We also let all the payload managers. I'm going to browser and download payload manager. So after downloading payload managers, next we will enter the PS5 IP address. And after entering, we'll be drag and drop the payload manager file into the netcat UI file path. Next we clicking Jailbreakers and Jailbreakers, and now switching over the PS5. As you can see, it's successfully working. So it's ever faced this kind of issues, you like it with this display. And that is all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.